off-road aficionados, again, it's Todd Bacon from Offroading101. Today we're going to talk about tire repair. Simple tire repair. A little kit that you should have with you at all times because it can save you on the road, it can save you on the trail. And it's just a tire plug kit. This is a little bit more extensive, but the big things that you're going to be looking for is this tool here, which is to ream the hole out. This one is used to put the plug in, and this is a patch of plugs, and then a little cement that can go onto the plug to help put it in here. Today what we're going to do is we're going to go take a look at an item that is in the tread of the tires, not the sidewall. We did a sidewall tread repair with the tread right stuff. Take a look at the link down below. And we're going to just do a simple road repair that you can do yourself fairly quickly and get yourself back on the road safely. Come with me. Let's go take a look at what we're going to do. What we have here is we have a screw that's in the tread of the tire. I want to talk to you about how to repair this without having to go to a tire store to get you off the trail or get you home. So the first thing that we're going to do, since this is a screw, and I like making things a little bit easier, I'm going to go ahead and use a screwdriver and see if I can pull this thing out. And we're going to go very slow. And it looks like it's coming right out. And I can hear that there's air leaking right now. All right, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to actually mark this thing so I know where I need to do my plugs. Oops, you can see it's rain and a little bit of yellow paint right there. That's enough for me to just see where the mark is at. Might ignore the mess. And just to show you on the camera, you can see it's blowing out right there. Very easy to see. So I'm going to take my file here and look for the hole again. Right there it is. And I'm going to stand up and I'm going to punch this in because I want to get through the steel belts. And it might take a little bit of effort. You have to move it around, get it in there, because you got to open it up a little bit. Once it's in, just kind of go back and forth, kind of rough it up. Make sure you know where that's at. And usually what I'll do is I'll leave this in here, and then I'll go ahead and grab the insertion tool, one of the plugs, and I'll go ahead and get it prepared. This has been in my kit for a while. I replaced it probably 6 months ago, but it's packed in tight. And we're just going to pull one out. Like this. Take this thing here and we're going to push him in midway. And you do it this way, and if you'll notice, it's hard to see, but there's a slit right here at the end of this that will allow this to come back out once we push it into the tire. So, get yourself where you can get some leverage. Make sure this is cleaned out. I like it. Now the air's really coming out. Now we're going to go ahead and try and punch this in. All right, so we've got it pushed in there pretty well, almost to the end's in. So now I'm gonna twist this back and forth just to pull it out easy. And we're gonna test it to see if we got any leaks. Everything looks good. I know this is not something that's required, but I do trim off the extra just so it looks pretty. That's me. And you now have successfully patched a nail, a screw, a hole in the tread. This is acceptable. This will get you around and go as far as you need. You can do this as many times as you need to around the treads. I would still suggest going in and having a professional look at it but this will get you off the trail. It'll get you back home safely. It's Todd Bacon from Offroading 101, hoping you drive safely, and signing off. I'll see you real soon.